Hello everyone, a very big namaste to all of you. I hope you're doing well. You all are coping up with the lockdown pretty well and you're staying home, staying safe. Okay, so now I decided that I'm gonna create a DIY series. Like I'll try to do mask every day. I wanted to make in one video, I want to make I want to do it all together, but then I realized maybe I should make shorter videos and make just one mask for every day. At least then you can make a note of it, or you can try and then you can let me know the reviews. Do share it with me. And for people who doesn't know me, my name is Surbhi Kalia. I make videos about beauty, fashion, grooming, lockdown period, a lot of interesting stuff. You can go check out my videos. I'm sure you'll find something of for your interest. Okay, so I'll straight come to the point. This is my no makeup look. Okay, so I'll tell you what is so special about this mask which I'm going to make today, and I'll share the whole thing with you and also apply it in front of you. So quickly I'll start with the ingredients. Okay, these ingredients are easily available at home, so these are all things which you'll easily find at home. So my first ingredient is going to be this tomato juice. Okay, so this is the tomato juice I've prepared. Okay, so first of all आपको एक टमाटो जूस लेना है. ये मैंने टमाटो को जूस कैसे निकाला है, एक्चुअली अगर आप अच्छे से टमाटो को रोल करें और उसको एक साइड से कट करके स्क्वीज़ करें तो काफ़ी जूस निकलता है. बट जो टमाटो मेरे पास था वो उतना जूसी नहीं था, तो मैंने उसको ब्लेंडर में चर्न करके उसको जो सीव होती है, चाय छन्नी होती है या एनी छन्नी, उससे थोड़ा सा जूस निकाल दिया और पल्प ऊपर ही रह गया. तो मैंने एक टमाटर का जूस लिया है पूरा. उसमें मैं डालूंगी 2 चम्मच राइस पाउडर. Nothing, just the finely grounded rice, dry rice. So I'll take 2 spoons of this rice powder. Rice powder के लिए स्किन के लिए बहुत ही इफेक्टिव है. आप उसके इंटरनेट पे you can read about its benefit. You will notice a lot of change. Just try this face mask. Okay, this is something which has really worked for me and I really wanted to share with you, all of you. I do a lot of oat masking. Like I use a lot of oats. It's similar to that, but I think why not make use of the time and the resources we have. And after that, the third ingredient, the last ingredient, is dahi. So I add around 1 spoon of dahi. Now I'll mix it well. It will become like this kind of consistency, and very simple. Just apply it on your face, leave it for 20 minutes, wash it off and see the effect. Once you've washed it off, just apply a light moisturizer. That's it, or maybe a sunscreen, little bit. Like don't put undo, because let these products also kind of show their glow. Okay, so I'll quickly apply it also in front of you. So I'll be using a brush to use it. You can very well apply it with your own hands, fingers. So I've applied this mask. I still have some mask left with me, so that mask I'm gonna save it and I'm gonna do it for another 2 days, because you can actually keep it for around 3 days and reuse it, share it with your other family members. And after that, once it's like semi dry, it's because as you can feel the texture of the rice, it thoda sa granules are not very fine, तो आप इसको हल्का scrub करके भी इसे remove कर सकते हैं. Like once it gets like dry, take a little bit of water and then just scrub it and then remove it. Don't very harsh. So now I'm gonna dry it and wash it off. I'll say bye to you. You let me know your review. You let me know how did you like this mask, the effect of this mask. Do share it with your friends and family, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, do I look funny? Okay, that's the purpose. I have to look funny to look glowy little later. Take care guys. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.